Have you ever wondered if the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate is worth it? Today, we're delving into this question, exploring this sought-after certification that promises to equip you with critical cybersecurity skills. We'll be considering various aspects such as the curriculum, its beginner-friendliness, the time and cost involved, its recognition in the industry, and the job opportunities it could potentially unlock. So if you're contemplating whether to invest your time and resources into this program, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we unravel the details of this popular certification. The Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate is a well-known program, but what exactly does it entail? This program, brought to you by the tech giant Google, is designed to equip individuals with the key skills needed in the ever-evolving field of cybersecurity. Its curriculum delves into a broad range of topics, from understanding the fundamentals of digital security to exploring more complex areas such as network security, system administration, and defense against cyber threats. The certificate aims to bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application, preparing its learners to tackle real-world cybersecurity challenges. It's not just about learning the ropes. It's about becoming a proficient cybersecurity professional who can safeguard digital assets against potential threats. The program doesn't require a tech background, making it a great starting point for aspiring cybersecurity professionals or anyone interested in enhancing their digital security skills. With this understanding of the certificate, let's dive into its pros and cons. Every program has its strengths, so what are the advantages of the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate? One of the most significant advantages of this program is its comprehensive curriculum. Google's program delves deep into the world of cybersecurity, covering a wide range of topics from system administration to network security to defense and offense strategies. This thorough approach ensures that students gain an all-encompassing understanding of the cybersecurity landscape, equipping them with the necessary skills to tackle real-world challenges. The program is also beginner-friendly. You don't need to have a background in IT or cybersecurity to enroll. The course materials are designed in a way that's easy to follow, even for those who are completely new to the field. This makes the program accessible to a wider audience, encouraging more people to explore cybersecurity as a career path. Another major advantage is the program's flexibility in terms of time commitment. Unlike traditional degree programs, the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate can be completed in a matter of months, not years. It's self-paced, meaning you can fit your learning around your schedule rather than the other way around. Finally, the program is cost-effective compared to other similar programs. For a fraction of the cost of a university degree, you can gain a valuable certification that's recognized by employers in the tech industry. These benefits make the certificate seem like an attractive option. However, it's crucial to also consider its downsides. Now, let's delve into the less appealing aspects of the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. First off, if you're an absolute beginner, brace yourself for a steep learning curve. This program is designed to be beginner-friendly, but cybersecurity is a complex field. You'll need to put in a lot of effort to grasp the fundamentals, and the fast-paced nature of the course can be overwhelming. Then there's the time commitment. The program suggests dedicating 10 hours per week, but reality can be quite different. If you're juggling a job, studies, or other responsibilities, it might be challenging to keep up with the coursework. The fact is, you may find yourself investing more time than initially planned. Another point to consider is that the curriculum, while comprehensive, lacks depth in certain advanced topics. If you're an experienced professional looking for a deep dive into specialized areas like advanced threat hunting or cloud security, you might find the course content somewhat lacking. The program provides a solid foundation, but it might not satiate the appetite of those craving for high-level expertise. Moreover, keep in mind that the certification alone won't land you a job. It's a stepping stone, not a magic ticket. Employers value practical experience and problem-solving skills along with certifications, so don't expect immediate job offers just because you've obtained the certificate. These drawbacks are important to consider when deciding whether this certificate is the right choice for you. Undoubtedly, one of the primary reasons for getting a certificate is to enhance job prospects. So how does the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate fare in this regard? Well, let's dive in. The job opportunities that come with this certificate are indeed expansive. The cybersecurity field is growing at an incredible pace, and there's a high demand for skilled professionals. This certificate provides a solid foundation in understanding various cyber threats and security fundamentals, making you a desirable candidate for roles such as cybersecurity analyst, security engineer, and even IT project manager. Moreover, the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate is well recognized in the industry. Companies across the globe, including top-tier tech companies, value this certification due to Google's reputation for excellence. It's a signal to employers that you've got the skills and dedication it takes to navigate the complex landscape of cybersecurity. Let's talk real-world impact. Take the example of Jane Doe, a recent graduate who was struggling to break into the tech industry. After completing the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate, she landed a job as a cybersecurity analyst at a leading tech firm. Or consider John Smith, an IT professional who wanted to switch to cybersecurity. Post-certification, he secured a position as a security engineer at a reputable company. These are just a couple of instances highlighting the potential this certification holds. The course has been a game changer for many, providing them with the knowledge and credentials to embark on rewarding careers in cybersecurity. With these insights into job opportunities and industry recognition, we are now ready to conclude. After weighing the pros and cons, the question remains, is the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate worth it? We've delved into the curriculum, its beginner-friendly approach, the time and cost implications, industry recognition, and job opportunities. The certificate provides a foundational understanding of cybersecurity, a field that's growing in demand. It's cost-effective and accessible, with flexible learning hours to fit your schedule. However, it may not delve as deep as other, more specialized programs, and industry recognition, while growing, is not universal. So, is it worth it? The answer isn't a simple yes or no. It largely depends on where you are in your career. If you're a beginner seeking a solid start, or a professional wanting to diversify your skills, this might be a good fit. Remember, the decision ultimately depends on your personal career goals and learning preferences. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with others who might find it valuable.